Breaking news are Airbus is here. It's here for any breaking news are Airbus. It's a year Asapon Hene. Otumfo Asapon Hene. Nkrofobi akochino ekuno. It's here for no any breaking news are Airbus is here. Answer never chance on subscribe and click the notification bell no and no and that will screen so. Na me the detailed story about Star FM4 and a breaking news way. Enumere we are say wutie me enumere we are and I just say breaking news way about internet me video no posti amamo. And I'll bring you more on this this particular story. Na DNA see ewo in Kranza Kwine so in Kranza Kwine so say Ejura in Kranza Road. Na etie for ni diankasa onze Asapon Hene ba ni diankasa nana fodio na story na eba na etie for emu enye graphic and so reported on this woman put the woman update na senior de ni see no utunu se nipa bonefo no womo ku ni wie no na womo pese omoma edane te se accident scene womo ku ni wie no pese womoma sebe ade no say accident but there were some stab wounds at police for ekoya womo hu se da be we de enkrofo na atwache na chese womo ekuno etie for na police for no senior womo te yasem no womo nya nteye se accident bi esi ewo kwan ne so womo du ho no mu hu se se nkrofo a womo ekun Asampon Hene no se womo a womo ekun no no ma yo ma dwen se womo ehye oneka ne kra chese kan na wo tu kwan ewom no womo ayo ma dwen se womo ehye na me read this Star FM4 report me we na me read the updated report from Graphic Online, so I'm our daily graphic. That's Star FM4. Then I say the Asapon Hene of Kumasi and owner of Sika FM in Kumasi has reportedly been killed by some armed robbers known as Nana Fodro. He was reportedly stabbed whilst traveling on the Ejura in Kranza Road on Sunday, August 18th, 2019. Police officers received information that a vehicle had been involved in an accident on the road, but when they arrived at the scene, they realized the victim, who was later identified as Nana Fodro, had been stabbed. The attackers reportedly also attempted to set the vehicle ablaze. Etefo natre say womo di se juma no womo yoma dwenka say womo hye ne car no. Now the body of the deceased has since been sent to the Konfanoche Teaching Hospital. You see, I'm workers and body G. Now the police have initiated investigations and suspect the incident was chieftaincy related. Not to say ahindie munsem police for no ehun say ahindie munsem na sebe ama adiewe aba chieftaincy dispute and chieftaincy related issues. Etefo if you say de kwa hin ahindie hunti wakoji will be life. Nana Fodro, popularly referred to as Chief in some quarters, also owned the popular X5 pub at Ashanti Newtown in Kumasi near the MPP Ashanti Regional Office. Not just say Sika FM, a very popular radio station in Kumasi na nedia. Na woko Ashtown, woko Ashanti Newtown. Some very popular sports be also your friend of X5. Womo Ashanti Newtown. Kumasi woman nim X5 pa na sa X5 pa queen so wono ane dia na etiefo asema awe won say oye otumfo ne direct relative just say otumfo just say otumfo ankasa ebusien nipa direct otumfo say tutu a wote so ni busien ni direct the asem we asem kese a wo hwa otumfo enya ade a wo betena so kra asem kesia otumfo won twentwen asem we so say wono ankasa ne direct relative enkrofo bi ekodino dwuma bi say now as the Asampon Hene of Kumasi, his role was to lead war for the Asante Hene and moves ahead of the retinue of the Asantehene. Not just say one no obi be say Asampon hene no ana Asampon se membo edini ya mesremo fanche me Asampon hene obi be say Asampon hene no one no nedwuma ne sen nedwuma ne se won se titi no kingdoms no womoko nti nedwuma ne se ekon eba wono na wo bedi ekon nanim nti wo yobi a wo hwa akokodrofo a sebe ese wodi ekon anim na nkrofo akọche no edi no dwuma we etifo enya ade a ede ade we enya ade ede na me read the updated a year report from Daily Graphic Kinchel. Now was it known as Oheneba Kwejo Fojwo. He was reportedly stabbed while traveling on the Ejuari Kranza Road in the Ashanti region on Sunday, August 18, 2019. Police officers received information that a vehicle had been involved in an accident. I know Namedebreo later. No, now I think it's still the same story. It's still the same story. It's here for a idea a rehosem. Said there were some of the pictures and be say yes it has sent a year Kumasi into great mourning. It has sent Kumasi into great mourning because we put here Asantehene direct a year ninia okay and just a ninia but say the relative into to me about say a cousin but oh yeah Asantehene no ni moja Asantehene no ni moja it's for I don't know Ghana saying okay near say adie we oh Ghana nyama bi say see the dance nya afi na nyama we but I say na say kunkum contract killing no adoso na nini na no etie for Ghana ade ayem pese yeni ebekoso no say nini na eyesa vigilante nsem no political vigilantes no because those political vigilante groups no me dey so say your mo power and this landguard for no so angro for no mun show because still those political vigilantes group no they are very active when we are in the political season. Imagine embra ye political season no omo beye den Samobekaya Asantehene na I think he was celebrating his 20th and it was a milestone na or celebrity I mean a milestone bia womo ekọ asori na woka Asantehene nkrofo a womo kọ asori ni bi no woka ho a womo so ekọ asori ho ni bi na sene me din kan na me de enyama bi se na ya na me blame vigilance alanga the political vigilantes in some no yana me blame na Ghana just say the same thing here Ahmed Swale out to end wo mo abo mu di say juma no ye ntin ho nsem ye and so even things like this no e ma hu na say o masa the police car no masa but I don't know maybe because this person is related to Asantehene no police for no be hu because Ghana police there na if huge personalities be more na I say one more year whatever possible to catch the perpetrators. Now this one there I think if you have any information on womo edi juma we no seriously say womo police for no aso ete because it's a sad news wo sha wo bia wo ye hene aside say wono ankasa e won mba wo hwe mo no ahemfo de ye hu omo say they are the fathers of our communities na wo hwe so no assembly sia ohene nchen ne yekọ nti ohene de ye hu ne say aside ono anemba na wo no wo ye father of the community. That is a way that you've put the community or the whole community in mourning. When a bonia with deepan, you've put the whole community in mourning. Internet here for that's the news coming through. Very sad news. Breaking news. Internet. Mon chair mo adwen our comment box ni mo. Chair adwen our comment box ni mo. Na police one also yasramo say mo bo adwuma asem we de nyese mo tena so mo nche ma dwete for ya da ase